All right, today, folks, we're going to make a hexagonal cookie cutter. What that means is we're going to make a hexagon, and we're going to turn it into a cookie cutter. To do that, we're going to go ahead and use our sketch tools, as always. We're going to choose a sketch plane. I'll choose the top plane. We'll tap the N key, Nancy, on the keyboard, and the P key, Papa, on the keyboard to view normal to the plane and turn the top of our planes off now that we're not currently using them. We're going to go up here to the tool ribbon and find our polygon tools. You'll see that we have inscribed polygon, that's the circle on the inside, and circumscribed polygon, that's circle on the outside. Doesn't matter which one we use for this, so we'll just go ahead and grab one. Then we will click the origin of the screen and move the mouse out and choose any size, doesn't matter at this point, and click and release. And then we can move the mouse in and out till we get the number of sides we're looking for. We're looking for 6 for a hexagon. You can choose a different number for a different shape, but we're going with a hexagon today. So we're going to click right now. So that's 6 sides. If I choose at this point to change, once I hit the escape key on my keyboard, I can double click on that and choose any other number of sides to change that. So that's 6 sides. If I would like this to sit horizontally, I can come up to my constraints tool and choose the horizontal constraint and set that horizontal. And then if I would like to add a measurement to determine how big things are, I can choose any 2 surfaces to draw a measurement from. So I'll click the dimension tool, we'll click this upper edge and this lower edge, and we can choose that our hexagon will be a size. Let's go with 3 inches because we'll make a 3-inch cookie. And from there you have it. There is a hexagon that is 3 inches from flat face to flat face. We'll save that as profile. Since we're going to make this into a cookie cutter, and then we will go ahead and extrude that using our extrude tool. And click in the empty space, and we'll extrude that to 4/10 of an inch. 4/10 of an inch is just under 1/2 of an inch, which is a pretty good thickness for a cookie. And we'll just call this one walls and green check. So here we have right now a cookie cutter. Well, not a cookie cutter, but a cookie blank. This is what the cookie would look like if we like it. This is what we can go ahead and move on. So we're going to go ahead now and make it hollow, so it's actually a cookie cutter. The tool we're going to use is called the shell tool. It is up here on the tool ribbon. It looks like a U with some sections moved out. We click on the face we want to remove, and then choose the wall thickness that we want to use. We're going to be using 4/100 of an inch for our wall thickness in this activity. And we're going to green check. And now we have a cookie cutter that works just fine. If we like to remove part or all of the back, we can do that by using the extrude tool. So let's just hit the extrude tool, click the back that we'd like to remove, click the remove button, and I'll call that back remove. And there you have it. We now have a hollow cookie cutter. A problem with this model is if we were to print this out and squish on the sides, it would be very flexible. So it would be really helpful if we produced a flange to give it some strength. So now we remove that back, we've removed most of the strength. So let's go ahead and add that back either on the inside or the outside. So we're going to create a sketch on the back of the cookie cutter. And we're going to take the offset tool and we'll grab those inside lines. And we will get all of them. And there you have it. Looking at that from the top, I can drag this arrow in or out to choose the direction of my flange. Once I'm happy with what I have, we'll give that a name. Oops. Give that a name, reinforcement flange. Check, and hit the extrude button and click the area we want to extrude. Change the direction. Go with thickness. We'll go 1/10 of an inch. And that gives us a nice flange. And it's added to flange. And there you have it. There's a hexagonal cookie cutter the size of a for a 3-inch hexagonal cookie. Good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.